Hey there, ready to level up your skills in Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your iPhone? Awesome! Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through how to access the practice or training mode in Mobile Legends. Here we go! First things first, fire up the Mobile Legends app on your iPhone. Now, look for the Heroes option at the bottom of the screen and give it a tap. After that, select your all-time favorite hero from the list. Next up, locate the hero training option nestled snugly at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on it, then confirm your selection by hitting OK from the lower right corner. Moving right along, it's time to pick your opponent. Tap on the Pick Your Opponent button. Finally, give it a final tap on OK, and then hit Start. And voila, your training match is underway! And there you have it. That's how easy it is to jump into practice mode in Mobile Legends Bang Bang and hone your skills to perfection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show some love by smashing that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.